The Mars Momentum Program is that thing you didn't know you needed until you have it. Secure Campus is a cybersecurity technology company. We have two major products, SD Elements, as well as an e-learning platform that help organizations build security into their software. The last couple of years has been a really big challenge in the talent market. Engaging and retaining top talent is always a key part of what we're worried about as a high-growth organization. Working with Mars, we're able to really understand market conditions, both by tapping into the peer network as well as a number of the tools and data programs that are available.
An executive in residence is a very unique role where you get to be almost an advisor, coach, facilitator to later stage companies and ultimately help them scale their business faster and with more data and trends so that they can make better decisions. And so how I've helped with that is through providing a lot of data and insights. So whether that's here is what other companies pay the roles that you're looking for to make sure that you're competitive for candidates, but also for your own workforce, accessing a network of immigration lawyers, employers of record, just basically giving them a shortcut.
This has been integral in us staying current on trends going on in the market with respect to salaries and has allowed us to continue to engage and retain our staff.
To me, a momentum company is more than being able to hit certain revenue targets. It's a real seasoned and effective leadership team. She's one of the most active parts of our people leaders community. So she gets her answers through her peers and also gets to lead different sessions based on what she's interested in.
Since joining the program, what we've really learned is the value in that peer network. At first, we had these connections and we were having great relationships, but over time now, it happens almost weekly where we say, should we tap into the Mars network and see who might also be going through these similar challenges? This is really opening up some really exciting doors for us with alternative customers that we haven't historically worked, and we're starting to work more globally. I can't say enough about how valuable it is to know that you have someone in your corner who already has those experiences and who you can have really open conversations with, and they can work together with you to help solve the problems.